I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of ANALYST IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about two terms which are recently introduced in SI system. We will have this particular discussion in the following series. First, why in news, followed by key facts, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about various programs of ANALYST IAS, which include current 365 program, which will start from 9th of January, and CSAT program, which has already started from 14th of November. And along with that, you can also enroll yourself into test series, which include essay writing test series and PSIR test series. So you can inquire about any of the following on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar market. So now let's move on to our topic of discussion and see why it is in news. International scientists gathered in France and voted on Friday for new metric prefixes to express the world's largest and smallest measurement, prompted by an ever-growing amount of data. So this brings these two terms into news. The prefixes for the larger number, Ronna, 10 to the power 27 0, and Quetta, 10 to the power 30 0 are introduced. And prefixes for the smallest numbers is Ronto, 10 to the power minus 27, and Quecto, that is 10 to the power minus 30. So these are the two terms which are introduced into the SI system, and it is very important to remember these points as the term can be asked in UPSC prelims exam. So now we will understand first what is the SI system or the International System of Unit. The SI system is a global measuring system that is widely used in technical and scientific research in order to prevent confusion with the units. Having a universal system of units is necessary because it standardizes the units of measurement and it becomes easier to comprehend quantities. So this is SI. Now we will discuss who is responsible for the development and implementation of SI unit. CIPM is a body which is responsible for development and implementation of the International System of Units, universally abbreviated as SI. Its wide dissemination make necessary modification from time to time for the advancement of science and technology. The CIPM is a supreme international committee which function under the authority of General Conference on Weights and Measure, that is CGPM, a highest intergovernmental international organization created as a diplomatic treaty called the Meter Convention, signed on 20th May 1875 in Paris. The CIPM advises and recommends the amendment, changes, alteration to the SI to the CGPM for formal adoption, and it can also pass resolution and recommendation about the basic unit of measurement if needed at its own authority. The very important news is that Professor Venu Gopal Achanta, who is director of CSIR, has been elected as a member of the CIPM. The full form is International Committee for Weights and Measures. So this is a very big news. You have to keep these points into your mind for better clarity in exam. Now we will move on to our prelims practice question, which says choose the quantity whose unit is not treated as a fundamental unit. A. Length, B. Velocity, C. Mass, D. Time. So this is a very easy question. Write your answer in comment box. I will answer this question in my next video. Now we will discuss yesterday's question, which says which one of the lakes of West Africa has become dry and turned into a desert. So the correct answer for this particular question is option B. Moving further to our mains practice question, the question says the Nobel Prize in Physics of 2014 was jointly awarded to Akasaki, Amano and Nakamura for the invention of blue LEDs in 1990s. How has this invention impacted the everyday life of human being? You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS to get further update. Thank you.